Hello, welcome back. For this video, we will combine two exercises, number 7 and 8, together for making this class hierarchy creation. It's in chapter 4.4. In the very early beginning is when we create the beginning of these three classes. We create that manually one by one. But here we will introduce our better way that you can create our hierarchy under our class using these templates. So first, let's go to this first, the exercise number 7. Use class hierarchy tool to create a subclass of pizza base. So when you select pizza base, with pizza base select, use tool create a hierarchy, class hierarchy, then it's a pop-up like this way. And then this should bring up this wizard. So this wizard is you will enter the sub class line by line. So we will create two, the sub class of pizza base, thin and crispy, and deep pan. So both are base. But the templates give you a convenient way. They can automatically add the same prefix or same suffix. We want to put suffix as the base. Then we click continue. Then it will default checked already. Ask you, do you want to make a sibling classes disjoint? So let's just close finish. Then if you expand here, you can see here we have two subclass, and they are in red. And what we will do is, so you will see here to create more hierarchy later on. So this time create more hierarchy. So that is the topping. So the later part. Let's do save. So when you press save, then use the reasoner, synchronize reasoner. So when you synchronize is finish this validation, then this will be the change color from the red to black. So before we move to the next exercise, remember is we want to keep every model or snapshot. So let's save this one. Now we have our exercise 07. So let's save that. So we have 7 snapshot models. Now we move to the exercise 8 to create some subclass of pizza topping. So select the pizza topping. Then is use this to create hierarchy. So now we will create something new. So in the suffix, first let's put topping, and then we create something like this. You see here, you can create in the different the hierarchy, then that will be 3 layers automatically. Press enter, then press tab. I press pause and we'll key in. You can continue keying for this. You can see after the pepper, we also have the level 3. Double tap. Yeah, it's fine if there's any typo error, so you can change that later on. Then keep this disjoint and click finish. And you should get something like this. Meat. Here we have a spicy. Oh, we have cheese. We have this let's see vegetable, and they also have the 3 the sub layer for the pepper topping. So every topping we have our topping the suffix. So let's save and use reasoner synchronize. Now is I think it's all those that you can read here is that give you some the illustration about the relationship for this subclass and the class. So we stop here, and you can check with the repository to see all the snapshot, the models. And if you back to this repository, I hope it's until now we finished number 8. So number 8 is here. So that means is we have create certain the classes, and from next is we will come to certain property the discussion. See you then.